For me, it's all about the people. I wanted to meet the processors, the underwriters, the closers, the shippers, and the servicing department. I wanted to know who was going to be calling my clients after a loan closed and how they were going to handle it. And I was really happy to find that everyone here takes pride in what they do, and they're encouraging, and they realize that there's a family behind every loan. So it was really encouraging, and that's why I'm here at Guardian. It's because of the people.
I've been with the company for almost 12 years now, and what attracted me then and keeps me here now is the customer for life philosophy that we have. So the client experience is of utmost importance here. We have to be delivering high touch, high levels of service, because frankly, if you don't deliver a compelling borrower experience, you're never going to get the repeat business that you're seeking. So the three things that we promise on all of our files: promise to close on time, promise to close accurately, and promise to close with lots of communication. A lot of times the conversation starts with rate and fees, but it ends up, can you actually deliver on your promises? And that's why I stick with Guardian.
When I was considering Guardian Mortgage, I liked the culture of Guardian. They brought me in. I interviewed with everybody. I mean, I've been in the business for a long time, but I truly enjoyed their culture. Everybody is here to help. They will give you an answer. If they don't have the answer, you can call somebody.
Just the way that the culture is. I mean, when you come in, you're welcomed. Everybody just wants to be a help to you. I mean, they're always a resource. And so the one thing I love is I can pick up a phone and talk to somebody, and they're there to give me the answer. And if they don't know it, they'll let me know that, and they'll pass me on to the right person. And so just the culture of just being a servant and helping you find where you need to go. And that's really what I enjoy about Guardian.
We are constantly focused on what we can do better and how we can excel at the customer experience. Because at the end of the day, the customer is the most important thing.
I think that the number one selling point for people coming over to Guardian is our communication. We handle it really well. We hear nationwide that the number one complaint from consumers or anybody really in this industry is lack of communication. We really try to keep people informed, and it comes down to the borrowers, the title companies, the realtors involved, everyone just communicating well.
Good image to the public and everyone else that we can feel comfortable with what we're doing, but it's, overall it's a great place to be. Like I said, the team members there, even though it's a large company that merged with a new bank, it still creates, that ability to maneuver quickly.
The advantage of being able to meet the needs of our current clients as they maybe buy a vacation home in another state or a second home in another state. Before, you would have had to have been licensed in that state, but as a federally chartered bank, we can do business in all 50 states.
Here at Guardian, you've got people that will go above and beyond to get the loan closed, and everybody's here to fight and get the deal done. And I mean, even to the point where the director of underwriting, she stays until whenever she needs to make sure the CD goes out, make sure that the file is underwritten. And I mean, you don't find that a lot of places. You don't find a director of underwriting staying until midnight to send you an email to let you know that your file is being taken care of.
I think that what makes people successful are those who will be successful at Guardian Mortgage, are those that have the fire in the belly. And that fire in the belly goes beyond just motivation. It really goes to people who understand and say, tell me what needs to be done, tell me where you want me to be, and then I'll go find a way to make sure that I make that happen. I want to go, I want to achieve, I want to succeed.
I think Guardian's benefits are some of the best I've ever had. I used to be a financial planner, and I have sold benefits to companies, and so feel like I have an insider's perspective. Our insurance, our multitude of insurance, whether it be healthcare, vision, life, accidental death, whatever types of products that are out there in the benefit market, we have a wide array, plus optional benefits that allow our employees to design a benefit package that meets their needs.